turn it on, I hit function, and then every time I hit function, it picked melt, simmer, steam, the preset temperatures. You can also lower or raise or lower the temperature. It shows watts or Fahrenheit, and I would like to set it on Fahrenheit, and I don't remember how to do that. So, shut that off for a minute. Alright, on, off. Turn it on and off. The function will cycle through the individual presets on here. So you can choose one of those, or you can put back on. So 200 watts, and I'll put that at 400 watts, which should be
500.
500 degrees. There's a timer and there's a child lock as well, so your cooktop can be secure.
I don't think anybody went too much wine, just in case.
Okay, there's each burner has a sufficient fan under it to keep it cool. Alright. The pan has been already pre-prepped, and that's gorgeous. Fry up some things. The world's greatest egg cracker on a stainless steel pan, so let's hope I don't get shelled and everything. That'd be fun. So far, this cooktop is excellent. This can be put up on the little rubber feet that it comes with, or you also get the hardware to put it in your countertop. It does have the bumpers for the countertop. Either way, both situations, you will need to plug this into a standard 110 to 120 volt outlet. So far, it's pretty good cooktop. It's not hot underneath at all. If you're looking for a new cooktop, I would definitely recommend it.